You're listening to Gilbert King Elisa.
On top of this stool, you will see the Segway Ninebot Max kick scooter. That's the G30P model. And one of the best things about this scooter is its power capabilities, meaning the way you charge this scooter is very easy in case you need a power cord replacement. Meaning that if you ever lose your power cord, the power cord that came with the scooter, you can easily use a 3-pronged AC power adapter. Here it is. Here's the other end. And you just plug it in there. And the other side will go to the wall, and there you will begin charging your scooter. You will know your scooter is charging because the red light in the back fender of the scooter, you will see that it will begin to glow red. You will also see that after an initial beeping sound, the scooter display window will show you how much battery you have left. In this case, the battery is full, so it will show you all the bars illuminated. And if you need to know the specs, the Ninebot Max G30P uses a 121 watt adapter producing 42 voltage. You can buy this for as little as $4, or you can pay up to $10 online for this charger. It's also the same charger that a lot of computers use for your Dell, for your Sony, for your Hewlett Packard.
This has been a Gilbert King Elisa production.